going on, guys? Good morning. And we got to be quick today. We got to be really, really quick today because I am seeing a setup that I am liking. We do have news coming out in about 5 minutes, so we're going to wait on that. But setup-wise, I am liking the way we are looking right now. So I have to start the live early so we can be ready for this, all right? Anyways, let me go ahead and start the live trading over here. I'm kind of in a rush today. Not like in a rush like that, but like I'm starting everything a little bit late just because we had news and I was just taking a little bit of extra time to prepare, right? So here, starting up the live trading, join up, premium. Okay, we have to start this. We have to start this quick because this setup is about to play out. But yeah, let's see. Live trading. Okay, let me join this. What's good, guys? Good morning, and we have to be quick today, all right? Now, I don't know about being quick because obviously I'm sure you guys know we have news coming out in about 5 minutes, so I'm not going to take anything for the next 5 minutes until news comes out. But I'm going to be using these next 5 minutes to kind of explain the setup to you guys because we are seeing something beautiful off open that I'm loving. And if anything, worst comes to worst, we risk it and we take it before the news comes out. I don't know. All right? Anyways, guys, so I'm sure you guys read the commentary. I had to talk quick, right? Pretty much what's going on. If you guys understand the strat, we're getting a D-wall sweep from Asia. Very, very nice sweep. We're getting very nice buying. MS is confirming. We have a fair value up to inverse here, and we have a lot of liquidity above. That's pretty much it. That's as fast as I can explain it, right? And hopefully you guys understood. But the whole idea behind this is that we are bullish. All right, guys. We are bullish. Real quick, let me make sure that everything's looking good here. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see. I'm trying to find something here. I hope I can find it in time. Now, guys, today hold on. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna edit this. I was gonna do commentary today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys at all. Like I was gonna, because yesterday was really good, but I like the setup so much that I'm gonna take it. All right. I'm gonna take it. I like it too much. Now, let me see if I can get everything in time, like all the price targets and everything in time. So give me 1 second, guys. Now, obviously, we would have to see how news comes out and everything, but in the meantime, like I would take the setup any day of the week. It looks way too good to just ignore. Let me make sure I have everything written out. 3, 5, 8, and then 4 to 30.50. And if we trade our stop loss, I'm gonna put out this kind of wick here. I gotta be quick with this, man. Come on. Right, 254.50. Okay, everything looks good. Let me make sure my YouTube is live. Okay, yep, it is. Okay, let me see if I have enough time to put this out. Come on. We gotta be quick, guys. We gotta be quick. Now, I don't know if I want to take anything before the news. So I don't know. We're in a spot where like it looks so good, but you know what I mean? If you have to take the risk, I'll just take this shit light. I don't care. We made enough money yesterday to risk something, you know? So at least the people that caught the trade with me, the 220 point trade, not 200 point, 220. All right. But yeah, let me see. Let me make sure I have everything. Guys, I'm rushing everything here because we're about to inverse. The thing is, as much as I want to take this inverse right now, we can't because of news. Because one bad thing and we're done. You know what I mean? So I want to take it. You guys don't understand. I want to press the button so bad, but we can't because of news. We can't. We got to stay disciplined. I don't care how good the setup looks. We can't press the buy button as much as I want to. And I don't know if you guys already pressed it or not. But if you did, I wish you the best of luck. I'm not going to do it until the news comes out and it looks bullish or bearish or whatever it is. All right. And if anything, worst comes to worst, I'll just commentate behind it. If I don't take it, you know what I mean? I know why I didn't take it because of news. But if you guys are going to take it, you know, from the idea or from the live or whatever, you know, we'll see how it goes for you guys, all right? But yeah, as much as I'm bullish, and I'm not, like, if I'm not taking it, doesn't mean that you guys can't take it. I'm just a little bit scared with the news. Now, if you guys, you know what I mean? Like, if you guys don't care about the news and you guys aren't scared about it and you guys want to risk it, you guys can take the setup any day of the week. Like, the setup looks amazing in my eyes. So if you guys want to take it, go ahead, all right? But me personally, we have 2 minutes. I mean, if we can hold below this for the next 2 minutes, sure, I'll consider taking it. But if not, It's gonna have to be a commentary type of trade, and you know, you guys just take the idea from there. All right, guys. But yeah, what's up, YouTube? By the way, guys, what's up? What's up? Anyways, um, bro, I want to take this so bad. Like it's like this setup can't get any more perfect. It's like one of those setups that you know is gonna work out right off open. That's literally what it is. But I just can't take it because of the news. Because if the news, look, guys, as good as the setup looks, if the news comes out bearish, we're going straight down, right? It doesn't matter what the chart is saying. So that's the only reason I have not taken it. But if you guys want to take it when the news comes out or before it comes out, whatever, you guys can do it. All right? No point of taking it. That's what I'm saying. It's too risky. Although it looks so good, it's way too risky. And the problem is if news comes out bullish, we're gonna shoot straight up. We're not gonna have time to get an entry or a good one at least. Just gonna take a start position. Yeah, if you want to take a start position, that's honestly not a bad idea. You know what? Maybe I might do the same. I might do the same actually. Let me see. Now the problem is price is kind of struggling to hold above this. So I don't know if that's the best sign. We should be able to hold above this. We should be. Keyword should be. But yeah, taking a start position here isn't a bad idea. But we have news in 10 seconds, so we might as well just wait the 10 seconds. The problem is that if news comes out bullish, we're gonna shoot straight up and we're not gonna find an entry. So this setup is kind of, yeah, I mean, like if you want to enter, it would have to be like right now. But let's see. Okay, did news come out? I don't think it did because okay, well, there's price shooting up. Yeah, no, I'm not getting an entry. I'm probably just gonna sit out from this setup. But if you guys took it, or if you guys want to take it, I mean, as much as I want to press the button, I just couldn't. I really couldn't. Anyways, how are you guys doing in the chat? Did anyone take it? No, I would imagine no. Okay, I'm seeing a few yeses. I low-key wanted to do starters. Can I still do starters? No, it's way too far up. We're probably gonna shoot straight into the price target. By the way, guys, if you guys did enter, the PT is at 319. All right, you did starters. Okay, cool. All right, so for the people that took it, I'll just commentate behind the trade. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't even planning to trade today because of yesterday. But if you guys did take this light, look to take your first trims at like 319. It won't be a horrible idea. All right. Just in case, guys, news is not good though. Did it come out bearish? Gap above? No, we don't have a. Wait, do we have a gap? Oh yeah, we do. Okay. Anyways, guys, look, if you guys are in light, I would say trimming around here is not a horrible idea. 319 can also work, you know, depending on whatever you guys want to do. All right. But I'm gonna do a poll. I'm actually curious to see how many of you guys actually took this setup because it was beautiful, and I was telling you guys it was beautiful. But I just didn't have the balls to take it. Okay, there we go, guys. So PT1 just got hit. PT1 just got hit. So if you guys did take it, you know what I mean? That is price target number 1 if you took it. You know what I mean? But it wasn't a bad read at all. It wasn't a bad read at all. Let me see. Let me see. But yeah, no, we are ripping. If you guys took this, you guys should be up really, really nice. About 55 point, bro. The FOMO's kicking in, man. The FOMO's kicking in for me. Nah, but I'm happy from yesterday. I'm not I'm not even. Let me see. Jeez, we are ripping, guys. Okay, let me see. Okay. If you let me see. Okay, let me put this out. Hold on, let me get my laptop real quick, guys, and then I'll do the poll in the chat to see how many of you guys actually ended up taking it and how you guys doing. Hold up. I just gotta get a screenshot here. Okay. I'm curious. No, Charlie, no. We're not doing that. No. I need you guys to be honest with me. All right, and I'm still gonna stay on. But okay, wait, hold up. Create poll. Okay, look, guys, I'm gonna put a poll here. You guys do not have to lie. I'm not gonna get off. I'm probably gonna put out another trade, but I'm curious. I'm curious. All right. How many of you guys ended up taking this? How many of you guys ended up taking this setup? I put the poll. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh wait, we're about to hit PT2. Holy crap. Hold up. Let me get the screenshot. While you guys do that poll real quick, let me get the screenshot. Oh, there's PT2, guys. If you guys are in, there's PT2. Let me put this out real quick. There you go. Okay. And if you guys did take this, I'm assuming you guys took it light. There's no way you guys full ported. There's no way you guys full ported a news trade. But wait, let me see the poll. Okay, let's see, because I'm curious. Let me share my entire screen. In fact, hold up. Let me write this alert real quick so you guys can see real quick. Hold up. PT2. Wait. PT2 hit on this trade. How many points? 80 points. Oh. If you're still in, let me highlight this to make sure, you know. Let me see if you're still in. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, but guys, we have been no, like real shit. We've been crushing the markets lately like crazy. Like we've been going really crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna put up the polls right now. I'm gonna see how you guys are doing. Hold up, let me check. All right, we're gonna see. This will determine if today has stop loss break even. Yeah, if you guys haven't already, please move your stop loss over to break even. All right, yeah, it's a good idea. All right, 140 volts. All right, how many took it? Let's find out. I better see a lot of green. I want to see a lot of green. Okay. Not bad. Honestly, not bad. All right, not bad. 67 people took it. 67 people green. Oh, 69. Okay. No, honestly, not bad. Now, obviously, I'm going to put out some more trade ideas, but today has been pretty fire. All right. Guys, we've been going crazy lately. Okay, here, let me hide the chat real quick. There you go. But yeah. Annoyed I didn't take, bro. Trust me, I wasn't trying to trade today. You know what I mean? Like yesterday, we literally sniped 220 points, right? I'm green as hell, but seeing this play out, it was such a perfect setup, and I knew it. I'm actually jumping up and down in class, bro. Where's the poll? Just scroll up a little bit, and then it'll be. Damn, you guys type a lot. Oh, right here. So it's at 10:03. Anyways, let me see. Is it too late to enter? Yeah. We're hitting the price targets. But don't worry, I'm gonna give you guys another setup worst case. All right. Why did we not take the inverse at 344? 344. Because I mean, bro, if you take this inverse right here, your price target is literally gonna be like less than 10 points. Because look, you're targeting liquidity up here, right? You take the inverse, let's say you get the best possible entry, you take the inverse right here, you're looking at a 13-point price target. You're risking 30 points to or 25 points to you know what I mean? But for the people that didn't take it, all right, because you know, obviously I want to give you guys the value and everything. For the people that didn't take it, did you guys at least understand the setup? Did you guys understand why we were watching it? You know, exactly why it played out and everything? Yeah? Okay, perfect. So it's a win-win. Okay, perfect. Right? It was a super simple setup, super quick setup. These are the type of mornings that I like. All right? But yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't catch it in time. I was a little bit worried about the news. So it's better safe than sorry, if anything. I didn't see the MSS though. I can't lie. All right, look, let me show you. Right? So look, once again, we have Asia, the lowest point, right? Asia low right here at 219, right? Asia low. We took out this Asia low and we started getting buying coming in. How do we know the MSS is forming? Because the market went from creating new lows over and over into creating new highs over and over. So the market bottomed out right here, broke this high, which is already kind of a signal of an MSS, and broke another high, which is another signal of an MSS, and we're getting a lot of buying coming in, which is a very good sign, right? So these three candles right here is your sign of the MSS. This candle right here is the sign of the sweep since price is holding above it. And then other than that, you just look to target or enter off this and just target the remaining liquidity above, right? That's simple. By the way, guys, if you guys did take this, because it was about 70 to 75 people, guys, if you guys can do me the favor and post it in the Wins channel, it would be amazing. All right, let me check up on the YouTube chat. Let me see how you guys are doing. Okay, what news do we have today? It was let me see, Forex Factory. Today we had CB consumer whatever that is. Just got out 1,500 profit on my prop account, so now I can unlock it. Nice, bro, nice. I took it. I'm in and winning. Yes, sir. To the commentary idea. Let's go. Hey, how long is membership? Oh, I mean, I'll keep it up if you need it. Did you take that? Nah, man, not me. Are you just doing commentary today? For now, kind of, yeah, because yesterday was really, really good. So, I mean, I don't want to force anything out. I was also hesitating. It happens, bro. It happens. We hesitated for a good reason today. So don't beat yourself up for it. You know what I mean? I was hesitating too. It happens. I took that in close full TP. Beautiful, bro. 100-point trading done for the day. Nice. All right, so that's YouTube caught up. All right, let me see. Locked in $2,000 on it. Thanks. Guys, if you guys are green, do me that favor and post in the Wins channel. Let me see. Someone said, "When are you gonna post in the Wins channel?" I mean, bro, I'm gonna mug all of you guys. That's kind of how it's gonna be. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see, bro. Thanks for everything. After joining your Discord and 26 blown evals later, I finally passed my first eval. All 20 eval counts at that, bro. Congrats, bro. That's huge. Nice. Did you take this trade idea or did you just take another trade that you just saw? But yeah, once again, guys, in the meantime, do me that favor. Wait, let me peep the Wins channel. Hold up. Okay. I'm seeing you guys flood this. This is what I like to see. You know what I mean? Anyways, but yeah, so far this morning has been going pretty good. Now, I know it's been a quick morning. We got a quick trade and everything, but I don't want to call it yet. I feel like we could probably get one more setup going. So don't worry, I got you guys. What's the next setup? Let's try to find it, because obviously I've been so focused on the chat that I don't even know what the charts are doing. All right, I took your trade idea. Perfect, bro. Perfect. Okay, now let's kind of focus up here back in the charts, and a win is a win. We're hyped up. But let's get back to work, pretty much. All right, so looking at the market right now. Wait, matter of fact, okay, never mind. Okay, so from what we're seeing right now, obviously the trend is extremely bullish. We have taken out at least two levels, we've taken out two major levels of liquidity, which is the one at 322 and the one at 358, which is very, very nice. Now, with us taking out liquidity at 358, we're starting to show signs of weakness right here. Right? So what is the signal? What is this telling you guys? Well, since we took out liquidity at 358, right, and the price is holding below 358, what is that? Well, that's pretty much a confirmed DOL sweep, right? So price has swept this price up here and is holding below it, which is perfect. All right, so what are we looking for right here? Well, what we have here is, let me turn off this magnet. So we have internal DOL, right? We took out the internal DOL right here. Let's see. So DOL swept. We know it's confirmed, a confirmed sweep, because obviously price is holding below it. As long as price holds below the sweep, it's confirmed, right? The second price goes above it, then that's when the setup starts getting a little bit tricky, right? But as long as we hold below it, we're good, right? So what is the one thing we're missing from the setup? The one thing that we're missing is, obviously, the market trend is on the lower time frame a bullish trend. Why? Because the market continues to create higher highs and higher lows, right? So what we want to see here is for buyers to get a little bit exhausted, which I don't know if they're gonna if it's gonna happen just yet, because the trend just started to be bullish, right? And there's obviously more liquidity above that we might be able to target, which is PT3 for the people in the long position from the previous trade idea, right? And if this happens, right, what we want to see here is for selling to start stepping in around this range, right? So obviously we will want to see sellers start stepping in right here, and for them to start creating lower highs and lower lows constantly, which like I said, I'm not expecting it just yet, but it's a possible idea that could spark up. All right. So what we will want to see here, once again, just the market just showing selling around this range. So this will signal, so we'll be looking for an MSS model around here, right? So with that, what we could do is if we do get the selling, which obviously we're not yet, we're probably gonna shoot into the London highs, but the same idea will spark up just up here off a different level, right? So what we could do here is we could look to inverse this gap right here, right? So we could look for something like this, because obviously if you measure out this candle right here, it's about, I would say 70 points, 80 points, right? An 80-point candle just like that, right? So what we could do is we could look for something like this. If we get the MSS to form right here, you know, obviously we look for the 25-point stop loss. It could be 30, you know, around there. And then you just target the external lows down here. So you would target these lows, right? And you can also target this fair value gap right here, this gap right here. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this trade idea for later. I don't think it's gonna happen now. The buying is way too strong and the trend just started to be bullish. There's no reason for us to reverse just yet. So I'm gonna ask. Wait. Let me put this out in the premium chat real quick. There you go. Just so you guys can have the idea of the setup that we might be watching later on in the day, right? But I'm gonna ask real quick. Wait, let me kind of put this all back. Okay, there you go. Okay, how many of you guys are still holding the runners? If you guys took this trade idea, how many of you guys are still in? I'm hoping a lot of you guys, because there's no sign to sell yet. I am? Okay, perfect. If you guys are still in, you guys know the deal from yesterday. I told you guys to hold, and the trade resulted in 200 points. In this case, I would say we still have room to go a lot higher. It could get a little bit hectic here, but the buying does look strong enough for us to shoot at least into 423, which is the final price target. And on the other hand, ES has also inverse this 50-minute gap, and it did hit the price target though, so we can expect some sort of a sweep sometime soon. You can expect it. It's not that it's gonna happen, but expect it. You know what I mean? So with us expecting a possible reversal of any one of these levels, make sure you guys have your stop loss at least to break even. All right, that's all. So once you have it at break even, you're pretty much good to go. You just hold the contract until it either hits the final price target, which is at 423, or if it hits the break even, you know, oh well, you'll be fine. All right. Is taking the inverse off the London high a good trade idea? Yeah, it'll be an amazing trade idea. It'll be the same thing as I sent mail. It'll be the same thing, but you're just gonna get the confirmation from a higher level. So it'll be the same idea, just higher level, pretty much. Shorts look better if we sweep 420. Bro, yeah, it'll be the best thing ever. Look. The setup that we just got was amazing. This setup will somehow, in my opinion, I think will be better, if anything. But the problem is we will have to create a gap on the way up, because if we inverse this, I'm not gonna be waiting till we inverse. I mean, if we sweep this, I'm not gonna be waiting till we inverse this gap down here. It makes no sense. You know what I mean? It just makes no sense. So if anything, if we're gonna look to take this inverse, we would have to sweep this level right here. I'm seeing an opening gap fill above. Oh, that's right. Yeah. We have the one at. Oh no, it's far. No. We're not gonna see this till maybe till Friday, if anything. If the market's really bullish, we won't see this until Friday. Or maybe a little bit earlier. Who knows? Wait, we have FOMC tomorrow. We could probably see it tomorrow. That's right. I completely forgot. Yeah. We could probably, if FOMC is bullish, which we don't know, we could for sure see 770 by tomorrow. Yeah, probably. It'll probably close it. Yeah, I would say so. David, can we get karaoke while we wait? Bro. Next question. Let me see. Currently rejecting off the 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see. I guess, yeah. I mean, this gap doesn't seem super important. I mean, it is 46 points. But with the way the trend is looking like right now, it's probably, I don't know. I don't say it rejects from it, but it could. It really could. By the way, I'm gonna ask you guys because I'm curious. How has the trades been going for you guys? Like, obviously they've been going good. You know, for me at least, because you know I've been putting it. You know, have you guys been able to catch it? The trade ideas, the alerts and everything. Perfect. Okay. Bet. I'm just making sure. All right. I'm a little bit hyped up right now. I don't know if you guys can hear, you know, from my voice, but yeah. Let me read this chat right here. Why do you leave runners? Why not just make everything, make it so everything goes to 1 TP? Or if it doesn't, because that's right there, you're gonna be trading a 1-to-1, so it's not really worth it. You know what I mean? Look, at the end of the day, what makes the real money in trading is your runners. Is when you take partials and you make the trade risk-free. Your job as a trader is to minimize risk as much as possible. So obviously, if you're taking a trade with full size and you're really, really green, there's nothing wrong with taking most of your contracts off and then just leaving risk-free runners to do their thing. Because obviously, if it goes against you, you're not losing anything. But it can go your way, God knows how many points. And that's money being printed right there, right? So you're pretty much making money without risking anything, right? So in my opinion, if you guys, ask me, I feel like runners is the money maker in the market. I don't feel like taking a trade full size is what makes the money. It's what, you guys get what I'm saying? Like, it's pretty much risk-free. It's literally risk-free money. Because what? You have your stop loss and break even, you're not losing money, right? And if the trade keeps going your way, you're making money. Like this, for example, right? I would assume you guys have your stop loss at break even and you guys have runners. You guys can hold this all day if the market trend is bullish, and you guys will be printing. So that's kind of what I'm trying to say. Trim plus runners needs patching. Bro, I've been doing this for years. Like the trimming method. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, Karabi put me on with that. Well, obviously it's common sense. Like you sell some, whatever. But I was never like that. He told me to do it. And ever since then, I mean, it's kind of made me the man who I am today in trading. I mean, I don't know if that sounded whatever. Anyways, here's an example. If you took 33% partials in each TP, risking $300 today, bro, that's a 1 to 3 risk reward. You know what I mean? He made, bro, come on now. How do you deal with, okay, let me see. How do you deal with emotions and the urge to close the position after the first PT? Okay. The thing is, I don't really get the urge to close the position. Like, okay, obviously you have price targets for a reason. It's so, if the chart goes up, you would sell there, right? So after the first take profit gets hit, all you're going to do is trim most or some or whatever. And just, it's as simple as moving your stop loss to break even. And that's it. That's it. That's all it is. And that's it. You just let the market do its thing. Obviously, look, right now, the market isn't doing anything. Should you be like, with emotions? No, just it either hits break even and you lose nothing, or it keeps going up and you make more money. You know what I mean? So you're good. You're good. Now, obviously, I know it's a lot easier said than done, and that probably doesn't answer your question. But trust me, bro, it's pretty much, with trading, it's kind of something that just fixes with time. Like, it will fix itself. Like, you'll get more used to it and all that stuff. Obviously, look, for example, back then, if you guys told me I'll be live in front of 600 people, I would literally shit myself. But as you go on, it's something that you just kind of get used to. So yeah. David, are we getting deported? I don't know, bro. They haven't gotten me yet. So if you trade for money, exactly, bro. Look, if you guys are trading the P&L, that's where everything, that's where you're doing, that's where you're going wrong. You know what I mean? Once you guys start trading the charts and, don't focus on the P&L, that's when the money will always follow. That's what I'm trying to say. The money will always follow. Just focus on the charts, focus at bettering your craft, or at mastering your craft, if that's a way to say it. And I promise you guys, you know what I mean? It'll fix. Now, hold on. I'm gonna take off this sweater because it's hot as hell. Hold on. All right. If they come call me, bro, what are you gonna do, bro? They're gonna take my ass, bro. Is tomorrow trading day? No, guys. Look, if you guys are green from yesterday or from today or whatever, guys, please don't trade tomorrow. Stay disciplined. All right, guys, do not trade tomorrow. It's FOMC day. It's always choppy. I don't care if the setup is perfect. Stay disciplined enough to not take it. All right, you got resources, bro. I got a full port before Friday, bro. I slept through my alarm. Do you think there's another setup that can happen today? I'm $900 away from passing 2 accounts. So far, we're kind of in a trade. At least some people are, not me. But if we do get a setup, it would probably be around 11 going forward. So maybe in the next 40 minutes. Because we can't get anything until we take out 423. And by the way, for the people holding these runners, I'm telling you guys, hold it. Break even, just hold it until the final price target. That's why we have a price target. All right. I would say we're gonna shoot into this. It's pretty, you know what I mean? Like it's something that we just know. When are we getting the Spanish commentary? I mean, bro, I'm looking down, bro. That'd be funny as well. Am I in? No, bro. I hesitated a little bit because of the news. But it's all right. You know what I mean? So I saw someone ask, do you only wait? I gotta sneeze. My bad. Do you only trim at price targets? No. Price targets it's a place where you should be taking profit. Let me kind of explain to you guys. Well, wait for this trade to hit the price target, right? All right, look, think about it like this. How do we find our price targets? Well, we find our price targets by identifying the liquidity in the market, right? What happens when liquidity gets taken out in the market? Well, there's a pretty good chance where price can reverse off that level of liquidity due to it being swept, right? So the reason we use these levels the reason we use these levels of liquidity as our price targets is because we should be like, we're kind of forced to sell at those levels. Why? Because it's kind of the market reminding us like, hey, you should be selling here because it's possible that we can reverse here. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? Before the charts go down, it's a good time to kind of trim. By the way, guys, we just hit the price target. PT3 hit. So there's a full winning trade again. Jeez. This is how many points? 150. Are you guys holding? How many of you guys held? I didn't even know that was 150 points. I held? Nice, bro. No, I'm not spending that shit. Bro, nice, guys. Nice. Amazing trade, guys. Bro, we've been killing it, bro. Hold up. By the way, YouTube, how are you guys doing? Okay, let me kind of type this alert up. Give me 1 second, guys. Guys, we had, and by the way, you guys, if you guys feel the need to take full profits, now would be the best time. Now, if you guys don't want to take full profits, and you guys want to hold a little bit more runners, there's not much telling us yet that we could possibly reverse. So if you guys want to, be a little bit ballsy and kind of hold it, nothing wrong with holding it. But I would say, you know what I mean, if you want to be smart, right now would be the best time to take full profits. All right. I knew, bro. If I can go back in time, bro, I would take it. Trust me. Is this considered trading in a Trump market? Yes, bro. Bro, we weren't having these markets back then, and we all know this. Leonard High taken out. Yeah, bro, that's the price target. So you guys should be selling around here. Okay, back to the question. Someone asked. Oh wait, no, never mind. I did answer that question. Okay. Okay, sign up for your Discord on Sunday at 60% off, which is a hell of a deal. And 2 days, I've passed 3 top stuff accounts just now. Nice. Nice. I'm glad. I'm really glad. Hopefully we can keep this streak going. Obviously, I don't really want to, be a Debbie Downer or whatever, but you know what I mean, there's going to be losing days. So, be ready for that. Just don't be like some people that switch up when we have one losing trade. All right? That's all I ask. But on like all jokes aside, like good stuff. Yeah, don't get too carried away. Exactly. We're having, a good streak. We have them here every now and then, but there's going to be those days where we fuck up. All right? So, just so you guys don't get the expectation that we only win. Can we get an MSS here? Always. Or not always. I was reading the other one. That's just stay humble. Always. Of course. Now, can we get an MSS here? It's possible. The thing is, we need the confirmation. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you guys, we're going to reverse here when there's only buying coming in. All right? Are you taking this for rally gap at 433? I would. This one right here, are you talking about? The newest one? I would take this. Yes. I would. I missed David's setup today and yesterday. Bro. Let's see. 1/3 away from passing my first eval. Nice, bro. Nice. Just look, take it day by day. Do not rush the process. Please do not rush it. That's how you always mess up. Yes, it's approaching DOL. Oh no, we already took out the DOL. Well, we have a little bit more room up here, but we took out the main one. Payout ready? Bro, congrats, my man. Congrats, bro. Enjoy that money. If anything, you can take me out, You can get some steak and shit. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Your trades are feeding me, bro. Oh, feeding. I was about to say, what? Oh, okay. MC, not good, bro. Stick to my stomach seeing so much profits missed. Bro, we'll be back, bro. Don't worry. Look, if it makes you feel any better, I didn't take this trade. So you're fine. Why are my trades getting rejected? I just purchased an Apex account. You might have delayed data, if anything. Would you actually go out to a dinner with your member? Bro, what? Yeah. By the way, guys, we are. Your next price are. Look, if you guys are still in, wait. How many of you guys are still in? Exactly. Never say no. Never say no to free food. That's what I'm saying. You're still in. Okay, so look, if you guys are still in, your next price target will be 56, which I wasn't expecting to get hit, but I guess it wants to. Is this gonna be another 200 point trade? Bruh. Guys, we might have just hit 200-point trades in a row. This has never happened to me, guys. I promise you guys, I've never done this. I have never done this. Hold on, let me. Guys, I promise you guys, I don't think I've ever had. I've had back to back 100-point trades, but I don't think I've ever had back to back 200-point trades. Guys, that is crazy, bro. Well, it's a trade idea, so I don't know if, you know what I mean. We called it. I'll consider it a win. If you guys made money, I'll consider it a win. Hold on, let me kind of type this up. Bro, like we are like I don't get where all this buying is coming from. I really don't get it. But hey, I'm not complaining. Hold on. But yeah, what was I saying? Before I dang, I didn't know there was another price. No, there wasn't. The thing is, look, I wasn't expecting price to really go up this high. You know what I mean? I wasn't expecting it. So don't be mad if you sold, especially in profit. You know what I mean? You'll be fine. Just wait for the next one. But yeah, what was I talking about before I was writing this alert? Completely forgot. Was I reading the chat? Oh yeah, we were talking about the 200-point trades. That's right. We have a setup. Maybe. I mean, well, for now the trend is really bullish, so we're gonna have to wait. If anything worse comes to worse, we wait for the PM session, and we catch a trade there. The trade only went 198. Bro, shut up. Let me see. They made 1K. Should I call it a day? Bro, obviously. Not only did we catch nearly 200-point trade, you made $1,000. Like, come on. Okay. What happens if we don't have any selling today? Then we just, if you're in, you hold these runners till the day ends. You know what I mean? If not, then you come back tomorrow or Thursday. But guys, no, hold on, because we can't just leave this topic like how it was. Are we gonna ignore the fact that we've gone 200-point trades 2 days in a row? Is that not crazy? Like, who's we? Well, you're right, but for the people that call both trades, Daddy Davis just bro, not that big of a deal. All right, you're right. My fault. Bro, Gear, you made 10K. Bro. Back-to-back 200-point trades is fucking crazy. Bro. No. But look, we can't get too ahead of ourselves. We got to keep going. All right. So on Thursday, hopefully FOMC doesn't mess anything up, because obviously it's the big FOMC. You know what I mean? It's where Powell speaks and everything. So fingers crossed he doesn't mess up the market. He doesn't mess up the volume that we have right now, right? Because Trump is doing an amazing. I told you guys, once Trump comes into office, we're gonna be making some money. Did I not tell you guys like back in like October, November, right? I told you guys. I don't want to be the guy that says I told you guys, but you know. Let me see. Yes, I got the liquidity. That's good. I was expecting, I'm expecting a sweep soon. I'm expecting sellers to step in sometime soon. I don't know when, but you know what I mean. But if we keep going higher, then so be it. Do a lazy twerk, bro. Let me see. How much did I make yesterday, bro? I made 1,120. Yeah, 20. 10,120. No wonder you guys crashed out so hard when David puts out one red trade. It's way too heavy. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, So through how many accounts? I made 1,120 per account. 10 accounts. You guys know my the other 10 PAs that I got like what feels like a month ago, maybe a few weeks ago, they're still at zero. Like they're still at 50,000. Like I have not touched them. I don't know if I want to touch them. I mean, that's a 40K payout if I do it right. Like that's huge. But I, I don't know. That's a lot of accounts. You know what I mean? One little mess up and you know what I mean? Can I touch? No. Right, you don't gotta say it like that, bro. Start with 15. I might. But we'll see. If anything, I stop focusing on these 10 accounts and I just look to build a buffer on those and just kind of build it up. And once they're built up nice enough, I'll just put them all together so I have drawdown to work with. Because right now, 2K drawdown it's a little bit stressful with the way I'm trading. So I mean, lately we've been doing like 30-point stop loss. You know what I mean? So setup, not yet. I mean, well, let me see. Hold on. Let me cook something up. Because we are trying. It seems like sellers want to hold below DOL, which is a good thing. Now, if we do that, we have a fair value gap here that we could probably inverse. The thing is, we need a lot more selling, but from the looks of it, it does seem like we are getting it pretty strong. Maybe the sellers are here. Maybe. So we're gonna see. Now, if anything, I might just stick to commentary today. All right. Because that was my plan at first. But yeah, if we do get something like this, let me see. So the stop loss is a little bit wide. But I would say volume is good enough to do like a 25-point stop loss. That's not horrible. Maybe like 28. And we might as well round this to 30. If we could break this low down here, we should be good for the sellers because we're gonna hold below DOL off this London. And then we would just target these levels right here. Like this. Yeah, we are getting some selling coming in. So this might be the selling that we're looking for. So your price targets will be these three. If the shorts do come up, let me delete this. Your price targets will be these three levels right here. So it will be the fair value gap right here, a little pullback plus fair value gap right here, another fair value gap right here, and then the external low down here. And then you're looking at a possibly another 200-point trade. But I don't know. We would have to see because right now, like some of you guys said, the volume is it's not dying down, but it definitely is slowing down a little bit. Like you know what I mean? Am I not taking that? Nah. I mean, after this trade right here, I much rather just come back Thursday. Plus, I'm good from guys. I'm good to call it maybe even a month. You know what I mean? From yesterday's trade. So if anything, I'll come back Thursday with the alerts. But for now, I'm just gonna kind of stick for today at least. I'll stick to the ideas. If anything, let me see. ES could get stuck. Honestly, no, not really. I don't see why it would. ES kind of has the same setup as NQ. A month? No. Like I'm saying I could be set for the month. You know what I mean? With the trade, yes. I'm not saying I'm not gonna alert for the month. You know what I mean? So don't get confused. Anyways, I don't think ES could get stuck here. ES is showing signs of weakness, so NQ is weaker than ES is. Because look at this, straight selling is a little bit. You know what I mean? So if ES sells off and inverses this gap, NQ can sell off way stronger into the price targets. Am I taking this? No. For today, I'm gonna stick to ideas. Just for today. Let me see. But in the meantime, let me peep the. Okay, sweet. Take a break for 3 months, bro. No, bro. I can't even take a day, bro. I can't even take a break for like 2 days. Let alone 3 months, bro. Are you crazy? Is this A+? I would say so. Yeah, I do. Okay, the only thing that's kind of missing from the setup is the lack of selling. I would want to see, like, obviously, you guys know, like, right off open how it was straight just buying up, right? That's what we want to see. Obviously, here, when you guys see sellers, you know, they're there, but they're not really there, and buyers are stepping in and all that stuff, it doesn't make the setup the best setup in the world. Because when pretty much what I'm trying to say is when the volume looks like the one from today, or the trade earlier, from open, that's when I know to tell you guys, like, hey, this trade is more than likely going to play out. Like, we know it's going to play out, right? But when price is looking like this, for example, where it's kind of like indecisive in a way, like the setup is there and we could say that, yeah, it could go down, but we don't know for a fact, right? So, yeah, this Discord will turn to doom, bro. I don't even want to imagine, bro. And by the way, guys, real quick. Um, this Friday, I don't know if you guys read the schedule or not, because I know, I post and you guys don't even look at it, and get the deal. This Friday, I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna be able to put out a trade. So if I don't, I told you guys now. All right, there's 460 of you guys in here, right? On Friday, I'm gonna be flying out because I'm going to North Carolina to go snowboarding again. So what I mean, I need some time away from the setup again. All this shit is mentally draining. So if I don't trade on Friday, you guys know why. Either I'm gonna be on the plane or I'm just gonna be in the car, driving to, because you're going when, no. I'm going with my friends and family. I'll be going live. I mean, bro. But if I do see something like on my phone or anything, I'll definitely put it out. But the chances of me trading on Friday, I don't want to be, what to tell you guys. No, but it might be a little bit low. Just a little bit. All right. Just so I can, like a day off the charts, it's pretty kind of refreshing. That's what I want to say. Dave's gonna be live on the bro. I'm gonna be busting my ass, bro. That's what's gonna happen. Making us thousands from this. We got tomorrow off. Yeah, I mean, it's not because I want to take tomorrow off. I mean, we're kind of forced to take tomorrow off. It's FOMC. We do not do FOMC here. All right, David, you got so much snow over the weekend. You should have, bro. No, the thing is, I'm going this weekend to North Carolina because apparently they have snow as well. Bro, is that lows, bro? Let me see. David, I'm $100 away from a huge payout across all my accounts. Haven't gotten a payout since early December. Bro, please take it easy. All right? Don't get too ahead of yourself. Stay humble. All right? Because I've seen so many times where people have gotten the payouts and then they blow the account right before the payout. Lester just wants a day off tomorrow. I promise you I don't, bro. Especially with the streak that we're on right now, we can't take a day off. But we have to due to FOMC. All right? You're going to be... Yeah, bro, I am. I'm going to that one. I'm going on Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday I'm coming back to Miami. Bro, I was just there. I was in Aspen. Like last month, actually. Yeah. Like a month ago today, I was over there. Snowboarding. Yeah, bro, Aspen is super fire, but it's super expensive. The thing is, bro, I need to learn how to snowboard, but you guys don't understand. I'll be seeing the video on TikTok, and bro, that shit looks so like it's cool as hell. You know what I mean? Like the outfits. I don't know how they do flips, but I gotta learn some way. When or which price target do you usually move your stop loss to break even? I usually move my stop loss to break even after about 35 to 40 points. That's just enough to give the trade enough breathing room that it can go red for a little bit and you won't get stopped out. Because obviously, for example, if you have a price target at like 20 to 25 points and you move your stop loss to break even, the problem is you're not gonna give the trade enough breathing room to even have time to like reverse if it wants to. You get what I'm saying? So let me see. Keep it on the ground. Jumps over. I don't know, bro. I don't know. If you guys don't hear from me after Sunday, then I probably died or some shit. Let me see. Yo, I was just in Aspen for the accident last weekend. It was, I'm not one to really like doing too much. Like I'm gonna say a sports type of thing. Let me open life insurance on you. Bro, I mean, if you whoever, what is it? First come, first serve. That's pretty much how it is. Skiers over snowboard. No. The other way around, bro. But no, that since the first time I went snowboarding, you guys don't understand. Like, if you guys haven't already, like, it's definitely something you guys have to experience in your life. It's like one of the best things I've probably ever done. And it's so fun, in fact, that I'm going again. You know what I mean, bro? We're laughing. What's up? Whether that's like, bro. I guess that works, bro. Yeah. Let me see. My boy texted me real quick. Anyways, will you transfer over my lifetime membership to Krabby? I mean, that's you can ask him. Did you do skiing before? No. I don't really like the. I don't know. Skiing doesn't look fun. I'm sure it is, but start on the black diamonds if you're new. I got you, bro. I got you. Who was your mentor? I'm gonna say, okay, look, I didn't really come up with a mentor, but one of the people that has definitely helped me and kept it 100% real with me is Karabi. I love that guy to death. You guys don't understand. Like if I'm doing something wrong, he will tell me straight up, like, yo, don't do this or do it like this. You know what I mean? It could be trading, it could be Discord wise. You know what I mean? Krabby. And obviously, you know, I help him and everything. What about Lanto? Lanto's super cool. He kind of put me onto fair value gaps. But Discord wise, I would say Krabby is definitely one that helps me a lot more. But I have all love for Lanto as well. Like that's my boy. Like those two people, those are my best friends in the space. Favorite clothing brand? I don't know. I don't really have one. Swap from skiing to snowboarding. Snowboarding. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. It just looks so much cooler as well. Bro, I gotta show you my pictures, bro. Let me see. Don't worry about the price. Which one would you buy? Okay, let me see. So, are these two different accounts? I'm assuming so. So max drawdown. Okay, max was just 3 contracts. Max drawdown 2.5K. The other one is 2K with 3 contracts. Well, obviously, I would assume the second one is a lot better. Yeah, the second one is a lot better. You have more drawdown and you have better rules. No. Yeah, look, if you're constantly hitting trades, the second one is definitely for you. Yeah, get the second one. Get the second one. The one with 2.5K drawdown. Why is it chopping? Bro, I'm not the one to ask, bro. I don't know. I don't know. Trust me. I guess the market's just slowing down a little bit. I mean, to be fair, the market did push up since open 300 points. So, you know what I mean? If the market wants to chop up, it has every reason to. Friday, I'm heading towards head to snowboards. Bro, I am too, bro. You can't make more than $1,000 in a day. With Apex, here, go off this rule. Go off this one right here. Have you ever smashed a Discord member? No, no, I haven't. Bro, there's no way. Cole. Bro, that's sick, bro. Anyways, guys, we are getting the selling here. Now, I don't know if I have enough time to kind of commentate behind this because obviously you guys know when I commentate, I have to type it up and all that stuff. So if anything, I'm probably just going to watch it. I'm probably just going to watch the setup, you know, keep it chill, whatever, talk to you guys and all that stuff. And we'll see how this goes. If you guys want to take it, obviously take it at your own risk. You guys know what to do. All right. And if anything, obviously I'll help you guys out. Let's key snowboard extreme times. It's for chilling. That's what I'm saying, bro. But I'm someone that likes, like, I like excitement, you know? You're not taking it? No, not today. Not today. Not today. Yo, Blas, what about the 15-minute Ferrari gap below? What do we have on the 15-minute? Good question. If the selling is strong enough, honestly, we probably I don't know if we should worry about this gap right here. You could have actually, if anything, you could probably have a price target right here. The thing is, your price target is not going to be anything crazy. It's going to be like a light trim, if anything. But because if you get an entry at the bottom of the fair value gap, you're looking at a 25-point PT, which is nothing crazy, I know, but, you know, it better safe than sorry, if anything. But yeah, now that you mentioned the 15-minute fair value gap, yeah, if you guys are going to take this, if it looks good enough, have 4 price targets instead. Have this one, this one, this one, and this one. Looks a lot better. Full size, honestly, yeah, I would say so. Full size doesn't look too bad today. If you take it. Now, remember, guys, kind of take it at your own risk. I'm kind of just going to watch this one. I'm not going to do it like how I did with the last trade that we just caught right like 5 minutes ago. Because I kind of want to take today a little bit chill. All right. But if you guys are going to take it, obviously, I'll help you guys out and I'll guide you guys through it. Don't worry. Let me see this. Bro, like, Cole, how do you even learn how to do that? I don't get it. Like, is this something like with like trial and error? But bro, that shit will hurt so much. Bro. Okay, someone said run me through a setup again. All right, so for the people joining up or for the people that don't know the setup, let me show you guys. All right, so obviously you guys know right off open the market has been extremely bullish, right? So with the market being extremely bullish, what we're looking for is obviously the whole reason the market was bullish was to take out the liquidity above, right? The last one being this London high right here, right? So we're gonna mark this out like this: London high DOL, right? What do? We took out the London high DOL, right? So DOL taken, right? Now with the DOL taken, what are we looking for? Well, we want to start looking for price to actually hold below this DOL. So we don't have the sweep yet, right? So we're gonna put here waiting for price to hold below DOL to confirm the sweep, right? But the one confirmation that we are getting is, at least for now, is we are getting an MSS model. How do we know it's an MSS model? Guys, it's so simple. Obviously, the whole reason the market was going up, or the reason the trend is bullish is because the market is creating higher highs and higher lows. Right now that we took out majority of the liquidity, right? Notice how price got weak around this range after this DOL got taken out. Notice how price is getting weak around this range after the next DOL gets taken out. It's kind of like the setup from yesterday, right? So how do we know that the MSS is actually confirmed with us not actually selling off? Well, in this case, obviously you guys see right here, the market is only going up. It's only creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Now, the second we take out DOL, you guys start noticing the pattern of us creating a main high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower high, right? So what does that show? It shows that buyers are getting exhausted. I know this candle might be green and it might be going up, but like it's kind of signaling that buyers are slowly getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker as time goes, right? So that's why I'm telling you guys right here, yeah, we have an MSS model, right? Although it doesn't look clean at all, like it looks actually very, very ugly. The reason, the way you guys can actually identify an MSS in a market like this, where price looks very, very choppy, is by getting the main point at the highest point or the lowest point, depending on the trend, right? And you guys simply just look to see what is the pattern. Are we breaking new highs? Are we making new lows? What is going on? What's going on right now is the main high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So ask yourself, okay, buyers are not really breaking above any price points, right? Showing that buyers might still be there, right? Because they're trying to hold it, but what's it called? They're getting weaker. This is known as buyer exhaustion, right? So when you guys start noticing that there's buyer exhaustion coming in, all you need to do is simply just wait for the confirmation for sellers to step in. Once you get that confirmation, you're gonna take the shorts off this inverse. It's that simple. Let me see, Dilo. Dilo. Thank you, bro. Thank you, my man. Much love, bro. Much love, my man. But yeah, hopefully that made sense to you guys. So as ugly and slow as the market looks right now, we could expect a downside very, very soon. Although sellers haven't taken the trend just yet, we are getting the sign that sellers should step in, right? Obviously, look at this. You guys see what I'm saying? Right? So we should be expecting more of a sell-off sometime soon. Now, obviously, if buyers step in and they break above all these highs up here, then the idea is kind of messed up, right? But in the meantime, as you're speaking right now, from the charts that we're seeing, yeah, everything is lining up pretty good, right? We're waiting for price to actually hold below 423, right? Which it kind of is below 423 right now by 1 point, right? We have the MSS, we have DOL swept, we have obviously the London high. All we need now is a simple inverse from this gap right here, and we just go down. That's it. Bro, Dilo, appreciate you, bro. Like, it actually means a lot to me. You guys don't understand. Look at ES. Looking at NQ, I'm gonna imagine that ES is a lot uglier. Oh yeah. Oh, actually, there's an SMC here, if anything, which is not the best sign, but we'll see. Obviously, price is slow right now, so. But yeah, no, ES is a little bit. You know what I mean? Do we wait for ES to keep the price below the DOL? I mean, if we inverse this gap, it will be below the DOL. So you don't really have to worry about that. The only thing that you do have to worry about is you need to make sure that there's enough sellers to step in. That obviously we know that NQ is gonna inverse this gap way before ES does. ES is nowhere near the gap, right? So what you need to keep an eye out for is if you're gonna take this inverse, which doesn't look horrible, but it also doesn't look the best because of price. If you're gonna take this inverse, I would say make sure that sellers are strong enough on ES to also inverse this gap. Because the problem is that if we inverse this gap right here over on NQ and we sell off just a little bit, it's gonna make ES sell off into the gap, which then it could then bounce from. You know what I mean? So I would say be careful with this one. And the way price is looking right now, I don't feel super confident even telling you guys that you guys should enter this setup. Although it looks good, don't get me wrong, like whatever. It's just the way price is moving right now. It could be a little bit hectic, you know? So we'll see. The SMT is when ES and NQ move. Exactly. So an SMT would look like this, for example. So let's say that NQ is obviously right now it's kind of in a bearish trend on the lower time frame. It would look somewhat like this, right? A little bit choppy, something like this. On the other hand, on ES, if it looks like this, for example, right, very choppy, but it's going up, right? This is a prime example of an SMT model, right? So depending on whichever direction you're bullish or bearish on, you're gonna take the trade based off that ticker, pretty much. So if you're bearish, you would take the trade off NQ. If you're bullish, you would take the trade off ES, pretty much, right? But usually, yeah, the S&P is too big. That's what I'm saying. It's kind of, what I mean? Like, look, you guys see what I mean? Yeah, NQ is it's hardest to sell off, but yes, it's not. It won't budge. You guys see what I mean? So, as much as I like the setup, I'm probably just gonna sit back and just watch it and chill with you guys. Because I don't know if I feel comfortable really telling you guys like, hey, you should enter here or here or here. You know what I mean? I kind of don't want to take that responsibility with this setup because obviously price isn't the best. But look, if you guys want to take it, obviously you guys know the deal. Go ahead, right? But I would just say be careful. Yes, it's ruining it. That's what I'm saying. Yes, it is ruining it big time because of the SMT. So it's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit dangerous. But you know what I mean? If you play your cards right, you could probably make money from the setup. Just be careful though. You know what I mean? I don't want you guys to turn a 200-point green day into a red day, which is, in my opinion, impossible. So yeah. Should I size full? I'm not gonna lie to you. In this setup, maybe not. Maybe do a little bit lighter if you're gonna take this. Just because price is not really pricing like how we wanted to. Like, look, in this setup, if it wasn't for news, I would have taken this setup. I would have full ported the setup, if anything. Not literally, but you guys get the idea. Like, price was looking really, really good. It was super clear. We got a clear draw. We got a clear reading. Everything lined up perfectly. But with this one, our draw is not the clearest, right? Obviously, the model, like the trend, is not the clearest. I'm sure we might be creating lower highs and lower lows, but look at how we're creating it compared to this. You see what I mean? So when price is looking like this and it's not looking too stable, I would be careful. That's what I'm telling you guys. I don't really feel too confident telling you guys whether you should take this or not. Obviously, if you want to, go ahead, but I would be careful. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. We're chopping because we had a fat move. Also, we pushed up literally 322 points. So that's something. So yeah. In the meantime, let me catch up with the chat. Oh yeah, let me delete that. Bet. I prefer when you have skin in the game with us. Yeah, of course. I'm sure everyone does, but obviously, if you guys want to take it like how I'm saying it, I'm kind of telling you guys I'm not super confident in the setup. So if you guys don't want to take it, you don't have to take it. You know what I mean? If anything, I kind of suggest more of not taking it than taking it. You know what I mean? It's like on that 50-50 range. I just don't like the way price is looking right now. And especially, keep in mind, guys, we are also going into lunch hour very, very soon. So, potential 5-minute bear flag. I don't trade bear flags, but I do see it, though. I do see it. Just do 2 micros if you're calling it. I might just do commentary today, bro. This is a B+ setup. Yeah, exactly. Like, it looks good, but price and ES, the way it's moving, it's just, Yeah, but keep in mind, but I get it. We have an hour to lunch, but the thing is, as we go closer and closer and closer, do you guys never notice like as once 11 a.m. strikes, price starts getting slower and slower and slower and slower until lunch hour starts, and then super slow. That's what I'm trying to say. So if anything, I know lunch hour is in about an hour from now, but Price is gonna get progressively slow. That's how it is with FOMC. That's how it is with CPI. That's how it is with lunch hour. That's how it happens. You didn't take the trade from earlier? No, bro. I hesitated, man. I hesitated. It sucks, but look, I'm not even mad about it because of yesterday. So I'm paid for this week. You know what I mean? Like I'm up. I'm up a lot. So I'm not too mad that I didn't catch this one. Sure, it sucks. I could have made more money, but at the end of the day, if you guys made money and I gave you guys the idea and you guys learned something, that's a win to me. I don't really care. I feel like most people didn't take the trade because Blast didn't take it. I mean, honestly, it's for a good reason. It's for a good reason. We hesitated for a valid reason. I mean, we had news literally coming out as we're getting the entry, right? So if we entered and news came out bearish, we sell off straight into our stop loss. You guys aren't going to be too happy, you know? So I much rather hesitate over that one and just call out another one in the future. Obviously, we're going to have more trades like this in the future, you know? Great comment. No trade. Exactly. If news was red, then why are we pumping? I'm not sure. Sometimes, well, we're pumping up right now. But sometimes there's times where the economy could be doing bad, and for some reason the markets like that and they go up. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm always saying, anytime news comes out, try to avoid trading before, because it just makes trading it super tricky. Like, you don't know if it's gonna be bullish or bearish. It's pretty much a gamble. So yeah. 50% chance it could have gone the other way. Exactly. You know what I mean? If it goes the other way, you guys aren't going to be as happy as you guys are now. You guys will actually be complaining and crying about it because I know how you guys are, or some of you guys, you know? So I'd much rather not go through that and just wait another day for price to be a little bit, you know. I know I'm here to learn because any other day I would have taken it and would have been against me. Exactly. So I'm glad. Yeah, you might. I'm playing with you guys. So yeah, bro. What's price action telling you right now? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. We haven't moved for the last 30 minutes. But, I mean, if we want to shoot into 506, then we probably will. I'm laying it. Yeah. That's some people. That's what I told you guys. As the trade was green, I told you guys, do not get used to this. You know what I mean? Like, sometimes we're going to have red trades. You know what I mean? You guys, we all have to stay humble, you know? What is it? What's the saying? It's be prepared for the best, but expect the worst. I think that's how you say it. That's how it is with every trade. Be prepared for like, a green trade, but expect the worst, if anything. The news was red, but we pumped. Yeah, that happens sometimes. The market is weird. If investors like the way the news came out, bullish or bearish, remember, guys, investors is what moves the market. So. That's a good way to think of the market. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Let me see. Well, some people just need to go. That's fine. It gives you all the info you need, all the warnings and everything. But you guys, look, the thing I'm trying to say is, when you guys are trading the market, you guys aren't trading anything guaranteed. No matter how good something looks, it's all probability, right? So pretty much why I'm here is to help you guys kind of have the most probability behind the trade. Obviously, it's gonna be that one time where maybe that 10% chance of us losing happens. You know what I mean? It's just how it is. So no matter how good a setup looks, that's what I'm telling you guys. Don't always expect wins because we only trade A+ setups here. That's why sometimes we stay cash, sometimes we don't get a trade, stuff like that, right? But even if the trade looks perfect, that doesn't mean it's going to be a guaranteed win. It's all probability. Sure, we have a higher chance of winning, which is why we have a good win rate, but sometimes it's going to be a red trade, and you guys have to accept that. You know what I mean? Losing trades is what kind of what makes us in the market. Bro, Kenny, you're still in runners? I don't believe it. I really don't. Keyword too. Everyone is probably exactly. The market is. That's what I'm telling you guys. Anytime you guys hear someone say, "Oh, I'm gonna teach you how to become profitable," guaranteed. It's not guaranteed. You know what I mean? It's really not. Nothing, guys. Anytime you guys hear guaranteed in any type of term in a stock market, it's a scam. All right, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. It's a scam. Nothing in the market is ever guaranteed, and take it from me. All right. Nothing in the market will ever be guaranteed. No strategy is 100%. No education is 100%. No payouts is 100%. Anyone that tells you, I'll guarantee you a payout, avoid it. Red flag. I don't care if you're going to guarantee me anything. You avoid them. All right? I'm trying to help you guys. All right? I'm telling you guys. Nothing in this market is guaranteed. Even anyone, bro. I'm telling you. Even if I tell you guys something, like this strategy is guaranteed to make you profitable, I'm more than likely scamming you guys. You get what I'm saying? Like, try to get the idea. So that goes to everyone, including me. I will never tell you guys anything guaranteed because realistically, nothing in the market is guaranteed. The only way they're making money is by getting your money into their pockets. And then you have to take the risk on learning, something that's not even 100%. So, you know what I mean? A little bit, I got off track there, but I'm just trying to help you guys because I see so much BS on Instagram and I see so much BS on TikTok of people doing this and this and this. And it's like, bro, like, there's no way people don't have a brain and, they can't put the dots together. It's the most obvious thing. This one thing is guaranteed. You have to pay to be in the market. Exactly. And another thing that's guaranteed is you're going to take losing trades no matter what it is. You're going to lose. It's how the market works. People want to be lied to. Exactly, bro. Is it ever cutting off forever? I don't think so. No. I mean, bro, nah. Bro, if this is over, no. Bro, you haven't seen overpriced. You haven't seen overpriced, bro. Let me see. Okay, yo, chill. No, not like that. I'm hyping it up. Bro, chill. Not like that. But what I'm trying to say is, like we do it good. Let's see. I don't see traders showing how they lose. No, I mean, there's people out there. Like, for example, Krabby, that's my guy. Like, you know what I mean? Like, if you guys like my work, you guys will love Krabby. You know what I mean? That's what I always tell you guys. Like, if you guys wanna show him some love and all that stuff, he's got to go to. Like, if you guys like the way I trade, okay, look. Let me sum it up. Look, if you guys like the way I trade, but you guys want more of my work, like scalps, that's Krabby's job. Krabby, like we trade the same exact model. We always have the same bias. We might have a little bit of a different entry, but that's because he takes the trades off the 1 minute. He has a little bit of a different model, but we always catch the same thing. All right. So yeah. So if you guys, like I said, if you guys like my work, the way I trade and everything, Krabby trades the same exact way, just a lot more. Like, he'll be putting out 2, 3, maybe even 4 trades. Yesterday he put out 3 trades, and they're all winning trades, right? But the thing is, sometimes they're scalps, so don't expect, you know what I mean? Sometimes it'll be 20 points, 40 points, something like that. So if you guys are greedy, then, you know what I mean? So, it can get a little bit hectic for you guys. But if you guys know how to take profits real quick in and out, he's the guy for you guys. All right? Little vouch there, bro. That's my bro. You know what I mean? Like, I'll never suggest you guys someone that, I don't have my full trust in. Let me see. Hold up. Let me see. Hold up. If I go quiet for a second, guys, I'm doing something. Hold up. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Bro. Okay. Anyone know how to? Okay. I'm gonna put the link up real quick. So if you guys are interested, hold up. Because that's my boy. He supports me. I support him always. So look, if you guys wanna, look. Pay attention to the chat. Look, and if you guys join, say David sent you. You know what I mean? So I can get a little bit of a vouch. You know what I mean? All right. Here you go, guys. Real quick. Join. I'm gonna leave the link up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, if you guys joined, no, because he told me something. He's like, nah, don't put it. You know what I mean? I'm like, all right. You know what I mean? I'll respect it. But if you guys do want to join and all that stuff, go to the trading chat and say David sent you. You know what I mean? Just to show him. You know what I mean? Okay, bet. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Let me see something while I wait for this setup. Okay, bye. All right. Anyways, um, would you, real quick, wait, let me catch up with you guys. I haven't read YouTube in a minute, bro. My bad, YouTube. Anyways, what I was gonna say was, would you guys be down to come back later, if anything? Because right now the market is chopping up and we are getting closer to lunch hour and I'm starving. And I want to go to the gym as well. So yeah, okay. But so I would say we're pretty good for now for the AM session. We're pretty good. You never come back, bro, because like sometimes the setups don't come. You know what I mean? But if one comes up, I'll be live. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. Anyways, all right. So if anything, guys, take a break off the charts. If you're green, call it a day. If you're not, we'll be back later. All right, guys. Drop the link again. I got you for like 5 more seconds. Hold up. All right, but yeah, for the people that are green, call it a day. All right, guys. If anything, I'll see you guys later if something comes up. If not, we'll be back Thursday. Remember, guys, tomorrow no trades. Do not get on tomorrow. Right? FOMC, not our thing. All right, not our thing tomorrow. All right, we don't do that. So we'll be back Thursday, and then Friday we'll see how we do. All right. All right. I'll see you guys later. If anything, later. Yeah. All right. Peace out, guys. Get off the charts. Get off the charts. All right. I'll see you guys. If anything later, if not Thursday. All right. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. Peace. And YouTube, guys, another really good stream today. If you guys made money with me, over 200 points, guys. Hold on. In fact, before you guys leave the stream, guys, peep this. Today we caught 200 points. Yesterday we caught 200 points. You know how crazy that is? I don't think I've ever done that. All right, guys. So, what's it called? Guys, if you guys are interested in getting access to the live stream with zero delay, getting access to all these alerts real time, you know what I mean, with zero delay on anything, get access to my full strategy, get access to the community and everything, guys, use code 60. Click the first link in the description. Use code 60 for 60% off any premium upgrade, guys. You can see right here. Use code 60 right here, right? First link in the description, which would be like this, right here. You go over to the checkout, for example, Black Switch Premium. You join it here. Let me see. Hold up. How do you join this? How do you join? I'm pretty sure it's because I'm like, oh, right here. You guys click join. Whichever one. It could be lifetime, 3 months, or 1 month. You put code 60 like this, and it'll go ahead and put 60. So it's literally $20. So if you guys want to get access to all the alerts for $20 or however much, guys, it's code 60. First link in the description. All right, guys. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. And I'll see you guys Thursday then. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. Take it easy. Peace.